the moment you see the initial ramp up of user base of your app.
Looking at where your users are geographically based, it's worth considering being in the native language of that country and looking for more users in that country.
When you've gotten a critical mass of users who are using your app and provided you some valuable feedback to improve it.
The amount of content updates that the users are demanding, at that point, you need to evaluate when to grow the team.
Let's say you were on Android and you want to do iOS, then it's good to bring in an iOS developer who specializes in that. You have to be careful with expanding. Like, obviously it has to be within your budget.
Making sure keeping the ratio of designers and developers in constant check. Adding too many designers without developers is not going to add much value. Again, adding too many developers without any designers is going to result in apps with very bad UI.
Whether you're willing to take on outside money, if you're in a position to do so.
Make sure that you have a really strong product marketing person in place. Not just developers, but someone who's monitoring the metrics and has a bit of design background and can meet the demand of the users.
The best way for me to grow a team is to use your existing team to grow it.
You have things like hackathons.
We'd actually hired a support person off of a classified website.
Vocational schools that train the new generation of app developers.
The best way to innovate in an app is not to innovate the entire experience, but to innovate one small piece at a time.
Constantly trying to figure out what better feature that we can add or what better app that we can do for our target audience.
Try to get as close to what's happening with the predominant hardware manufacturers as they introduce new functionalities into their devices.
It will give us some direction and generate new ideas for business and market potentials.
Get the product market fit right for your app idea.
Look at the market, like how many other apps are there that do it?
Make sure you engage with an analytics tool as soon as possible so you could get smart.
Figure out the skills you're missing and hire the right people to fill those gaps.
Make sure you do have a monetization strategy.
Iterate your product, iterate, iterate, iterate.
The top one is your network. The more you can learn from others, the better you're going to do for yourself.